Target run, and now we're finally on our way to the beach. It's like 12 already. We wanted to leave a lot earlier, but the dentist took a little longer than expected. We got Jackson going to the beach for the first time, and Daddy's up front driving. So yeah, we'll vlog some more once we actually get to the beach and get settled, so you guys can see Jackson's very first day at the beach. Say bye.
Should be fun. Hopefully I don't know. Hopefully it's a good day. I mean, it looks good outside right now.
Sunny.
Nice and sunny. It's supposed to be 90 degrees outside. So it should be pretty good. Good, nice day to enjoy a day at the beach. We're probably gonna be there until like 7 at night, because around 7 the sun's still out. So and we're just gonna come home and go to sleep, because yet again gotta go to work tomorrow at 4 o'clock in the morning. But alright guys, like she said, we'll go ahead and do some more videos once we're over there, once we get everything set up.
Also, Jayden got lucky that he had a dentist appointment today, because we were actually gonna sneak off to the beach, just me, Daddy, and Jackson, while Jayden was at school. And I totally forgot he had a dentist appointment until they messaged me yesterday to confirm his appointment today. So we decided we'd just keep him home from school, go to the dentist, take him to the beach, and then he can go to school tomorrow again. You lucky duck. Alright guys, we finally made it to the beach. We got ourselves settled. Got little Jackson dressed in his swim trunks. Say hi, baby. Jayden's over there already. Oh, yeah, Jackson's gonna scream.
How is it, Jake?
It's cold for me.
Water's still pretty cold.
Yeah, very cold. He did not like it.
He's like, fuck yeah.
We finally got Jackson to sleep. Jayden's rolling around in the sand. Say hi, Jay.
Hi. Now I'm not numb.
You're not numb anymore?
Nope.
Good.
I felt like I had a lot of fat and I was numb on my chin. So I kept touching my chin.
Such a nice day out at the beach. Super sunny. Not that many people. Only issue was getting that boy to sleep because it's so windy. He did not like the wind. Right, Papa?
Yeah. Yeah. We're just gonna go ahead and walk. One of my friends is coming, so they're probably gonna be in the vlog too. We're probably gonna go eat also. Still don't know where though. She wants Mexican since she's Mexican. You know, Not really a big fan of Mexican food. It's just nasty. It's always spicy. That's what I hate about it. I don't like spicy food at all. Oh shit.
Alright guys, so we left the beach, then we got dressed. Finally, got Jayden over here. Jay?
I'm dehydrated.
Oh, he's dehydrated.
And I'm tired.
We're about to go eat in a second. Here.
Can I do this?
Yeah, go ahead. Don't copy what I say.
That's what she always says, the same thing I say.
It's because
I'm
we're
like
the
super
same
red.
person.
I don't know if you
Yeah.
guys can see it.
He gets super red, and I just get brown. I think out of everybody that is in the house, anytime we go to the beach or the pool, I'm the only one that tans within like an hour.
Stop playing. Because Jayden got your feet on that one.
Okay, besides Jayden.
Jayden blows you out the water.
Yeah, Jayden is like super tan. He got really tan from playing soccer and being in the sun. And probably from being outside at recess at school. Yeah, we're just gonna walk around. We're waiting for Eduardo's friends to come.
Hi guys.
Because they're supposed to come and walk with us a little bit. And then we're probably gonna go and eat somewhere. Right, JJ?
There's no horse. I ain't got none down here. Hey guys! So we made it to the house. Tired as hell. Burnt as hell.
Finally, yeah.
I'm burnt. I don't know if you guys can
Your
see
leg.
it. Yeah.
Ridiculously red.
I'm pretty burnt. See on my arms right here. But we finally made it home. Jackson's asleep. Jayden went to bed. I'm about to play probably like 1 or 2 games of Fortnite.
Of
Go to
course
bed.
he is. And he tried to tell y'all he never plays.
It's Monday, and we were at the beach all day, so I couldn't play.
Oh.
But I couldn't play because I was, recording for you guys.
Whatever.
And, having fun. So now I get to have like 1 or 2 games, and then I go to bed because I gotta wake up early in the morning. Story of my life. But alright, guys.
Like,
Comment and
subscribe
to our channel. Like I said, you guys, thank you for hanging in there with us.
we
Thank
know
you.
we're not that exciting.
Really not that exciting. I told you guys in the beginning that we really weren't that exciting. Just wait until June though. June is gonna be a lot more better. We're gonna do a lot more stuff. So yeah, but gotta go, guys. Gotta play some Fortnite. Peace out.
Bye.